Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for What's Wrong With Me. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. I'll be in standard tuning for this video. However, if you want to play along with the track, or to play exactly as they do, you want to be in a half step down tuning, which would mean your E string becomes an E flat, the A becomes an A flat, D to D flat, G to G flat, B to B flat, E to E flat. But, like I say, I'm in standard tuning because more than likely you're in standard tuning. So here we go, let's delve in with the chords we need for the opening part of the song, which is the introduction, and we have 4 chords. The first chord is G major. So, G major is a 3 on the E string, 2 on the A, 0, 0, that's on the D and G. Then you can have an optional 3 on the B, you can play 0, and 3 on the high E. So that optional note just means you have 2 different voicings of the same chord. I will be using 3 throughout this video. Now I will talk about strumming and structure in a moment, but let's talk about the other 3 chords that we need for the song. E minor being the second, that's an open E, 2, 2 on the A and D, and 0 on the remaining. The third out of the 4 is A minor, that's an open A, 2, 2 on the G and G, 1 on the B and an open E. And then we have D major, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, and 2 on the high E. Okay, so we have G to E minor, A minor to D major for this introduction. Now let's break down the strumming. Now because this opening part doesn't have any real guitar in it, we can decide how we strum. And what I recommend is, which is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Or if you prefer a count along, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So with the G chord that would sound like this. And we will play that rhythm on every chord like this. G, E minor, A minor, D major. We then get to the first verse, that's when Olivia's singing, and we take the same 4 chords and we're going to loop that round 2 times in a row. However, we then get to a pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus changes things. So it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, head on over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, including a ton of new songs from Olivia's brand new album. However, let's dig in with the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus has another new chord, C major. And C major is a 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. Now what's going to happen is we play C major for 2 bars, followed by D major. We then get to the chorus, and the chorus is very similar to the verse with a bit of a difference. Instead of playing the chords 2 times in a row, for the most part we're going to play every chord 4 times in a row. Let's break it down. G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E minor, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. And then D major, 2, 3, 4. We then get to a guitar solo, which is slightly out of the scope of this video. I'm focusing on the chords, the harmony of the song. If you're interested in learning the guitar solo, if there's enough comments in the comment section saying that you'd like a video for that, then I'll consider making one. But yes, let's focus in on those chords. Now the chords for the guitar solo are basically just the chords for the verse. G major 2 times, E minor, then we have the A minor, and then D major, and you'll play around those chords 2 times. At this point, we start to get quite a lot of repetition. Looking over to the notes, which is what I've put on Patreon, we have a second verse, same as the first, 2 times round the usual chords. We then have a chorus, and remember the chorus is just the verse, but 4 times of every chord instead of 2 times. That's true of the second chorus. We then have a pre-chorus, and then another chorus, all the same thing yet again, before we have an outro, which is the usual chords, G to E minor, A minor to D, 2 times round. And that will get you to the end of the song. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out my channel, and consider getting the extra material on Patreon, which is what these folks will get, because these folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content immediately. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.